you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell phone case on Etsy. For example, I'm currently on Etsy and you can see that there are quite a few phone case listings, and you can see that numerous persons are making a good amount of money selling phone cases. Now to do this, the platform that I would recommend that you sign up with to create your own print-on-demand phone cases is none other than Printful, as I've come to realize that Printful is one of the best print-on-demand platforms to integrate with your Etsy store. So to get started, after you have created your Etsy account, which you can do for completely free, what you're going to do next, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto printful.com. Once on printful.com, what I want you to do next, you're going to sign up, which again you can do for completely free. After signing up, you're going to tap on Stores from the left-hand menu option. After tapping on Stores, you can see that I've already added my Etsy store. Now to add your Etsy store, all you would need to do is simply scroll down, then you'll tap on Choose Platform. Then from there, you're going to tap on Connect, right where you see Etsy. After you have done that, you can simply tap on the little pop-ups that will appear, and you are going to simply give it permission to connect to your Etsy store. Once it has been connected to your Etsy store, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Product Catalog. After selecting Product Catalog, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page, and from here you can type in phone case real quick. After typing in phone case, you can tap right where you see matching products. After doing that, you can see all of the phone case templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, you would like to create a clear case for iPhone. As you can see that this is the best seller at the moment. Or if you'd like to create a tough case, you can do that. You can scroll down and you can see the different options for the different phone types, as you can see right there. So we'll tap on clear case for this example. After tapping on clear case, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see the different model types. So you can see the different model types right there. So you can see for iPhone 15 Pro, all the different options. And we're going to simply tap on Create Product Template. After tapping on Create Product Template, you are going to tap on Select All, or you can select the particular model that you would like to add your design to or to make your phone case available for. After doing this, what I want you to do next, you can tap on Uploads and you'll be able to upload your design. So you could tap on Uploads from the left-hand menu option, or you could open a new tab and you could go onto, for example, Canva, or you could go onto any other designing platform. The reason why I prefer Canva is you can use it for completely free, and they also provide you with numerous templates. Once on Canva, you could type in, for example, phone case, and then from here you can see different templates that you can use. So you can see this template right here, you can see this one also that you can use, or you could use the lion option. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with a pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous templates that you could use for completely free, and then from there you could edit it to your liking. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All I would need to do is simply tap on it, then tap on Customize this template. Then from there, I could make any changes I want by simply going over to the left-hand menu option. If you'd like to add text, you could tap on text. You could also add other elements. So you could tap on elements right there, and you could add in other elements. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Share in the top right-hand corner, then tap on Download, then tap on Download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printful, and you're going to tap on Uploads from the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on Upload New File. Then from there, you're going to select the case that you have created, and you're going to tap on Open. After you have done that, you can see that it is being uploaded right here. Once it has been uploaded, you can quickly add it. So you can see right there, it has now been uploaded. So you can see it right there. So I'll simply tap on apply. So just give it a few seconds and you can see that it has been applied right there. After it has been applied, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on save to templates. So let's do that real quick. After it has been saved to templates, you can see it right here. So you can see how it looks. And all you'll need to do is tap on add to store. Then I'm going to select Etsy. Then you'll give it a few seconds and you can tap on proceed to mockups in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on proceed to mockups, you can choose to either upload your own mockups or you can tap on choose basic mockups. I would recommend that you tap on choose basic mockups and you can see the different mockups that you can choose. So I'll be using this one as my main image, as you can see right here. Then I'm going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you could edit the product title. So let's say, for example, yellow bird. So I'll do that real quick. Then from there, you can simply tap on continue. After tapping on continue, from here, you can see increase retail price. So you can increase the price if you want. You can also change the percentage that you'll be offered. And you can also offer free shipping if you want by toggling this on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on submit to store. And you can see adding new product to store. Once the product has been added, you can check it out on your Etsy store and you'll be able to see your new listing. So you can see right there, the product has been added. So if I were to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on stores, I can tap on view store. So let's do that real quick. Then you can see the product is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, you'll be able to view it in store. So you can see right there. It has now been added to the store, as you can see right there. Now that it has been added, you can tap on edit in Etsy. After you have tapped on edit in Etsy, you can see the listing right here. This was a listing that I created earlier. So all I would need to do is simply tap on save and continue, and I could continue the upload. But I want to show you that the mockup images have been added and all of the information on the product page has also been filled out. So this is one of the main reasons why I recommend Etsy and Printful as the best combination when doing print on demand. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.